Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to increase decrease font size or text size on your Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move here on setting. After that, no, from here you have to wait for a second, then you just scroll down. On the down you're going to find this display option. Here you have to click on display. After clicking on display, again you have to scroll. Okay, and here is the font size or the text size. So click on the text size. After you have been click on text size, here is the scale for the text size. And if you want to decrease the text size, you just click on it down, because you can scroll also, or whether you can, if you want to scroll you can scroll, and if you want to click you just click on it like this. Okay, so here is the small a, it means this is the decrease option, and here is the capital letter little bit big a, means it means to increase the numbers. Okay, I mean text size. So if you want to increase, you just gonna increase like this, and if you want to decrease, you just scroll down and it is decrease. Okay, so I'm going to put the medium. Here is the medium. Okay, large option, or but in the large it is medium, and here is the in the small it is medium here. Okay, so these two are in the medium, so you can select any. Okay, if you want to decrease or increase or medium. Okay, and friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.